Hi guys, I'm finally live and I'm back. Hi. Hi guys. I'm finally live and I'm waiting for Daljit to join me. Yes, Daljit core view request. Go live with Daljit. I am just waiting for Daljit to join because there's something that I want to do.
And
Hi.
here I am. Hi. How are you?
Love you.
Hi
So
guys.
finally we are here.
Everybody.
Hi everyone. There's so many people out here. Everyone's saying hello. Hello. Okay, so Daljit knows that, I have had a very weird kind of a bad experience in the last 2 weeks, and I know that it's been really tough for all of you out there, and a lot of relatives have been, turning COVID positive, and some people have lost people from their family, and it's been a tough time. I personally know 7 people, who've lost their lives, and it has taken a toll on my mental health. And of course, Daljit, my nanny, had tested COVID positive, so I was very scared about for Anisha and all of that. But today you are here, and I want to do something special. So basically, I have been having these cards with me for quite some time.
Okay.
It's like it came in a box called the gratitude box, and I of course opened it and I used to check them out, but I never took it seriously. But
What is
I
it?
remember waking up in the morning and I thought that let me use this. So I want to do this whole session. I never told you why I'm coming live.
Yeah,
So,
you just said you have to come live, and obviously I don't dare to ask you questions, Pari. Of course, I'm here without a question.
yes.
So what is it?
Because
Tell me now. Tell me. एक तो थोड़ा जोर से बोल. I can't hear you properly. Your voice is very
so basically,
less.
there are these 30 cards out here,
Okay.
and I will take out one card, and this is basically a gratitude card, because the fact that we are alive and our immediate family members are fine, even though we are struggling at our own levels.
Yeah.
I think we still have a lot to be grateful for. So, and I just feel that I really request all of you who are there on the live and to actually, whatever the card comes, I would love if you guys share your experience and share your story and just take out 10 minutes from your life and just be grateful for one thing today. Cool?
Sounds interesting. Sounds nice.
Okay, so let me take out one card. Okay. Which one? Tell me, Daljit. This one. You pick.
Fifth from this fifth card.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is a very interesting one, Daljit, that you've picked up. It says, think of your 5 senses and list why you value each one of them.
Wow.
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 The more reasons why, the better. For example, I'll give you my loving touch in preparing my family's meal, my voice to speak my truth,
Got it.
my ears to hear the world around me, my eyes to watch this beautiful sunset.
So, first is, I think, smell. More than smell, I'm just thankful that I can breathe. I have air going in and air going out, and I'm just thankful for all the oxygen that is getting inhaled healthily in my body. So I'm very, very thankful about that to start with. The touch is, I'm able to touch Jaden. I'm able to feel his little, his skin on me
The
every
fact
time
that
I
he's
touch
next
him,
to
get
you,
him
like
ready.
the fact that I have Anisha next to me, like in my life,
Yes.
I can feel her, I can touch her. And,
There is no better touch than that, and I don't think any mother can feel more alive than the sense of touch to your own child. So I'm very, very grateful for that. taste, I think now we all have come down to this, and I say it because I really mean it. जो भी मैं खा पा रही हूँ, even the basic roti ka taste, to a
Yeah.
normal sabzi, even to karela, to dal, to everything. I am thankful that we have food today because I know how many people are suffering. Pari, I should tell this to you because I've started my production, and you know, abhi कुछ टाइम पहले तक the whole idea was कि जितने लोगों को employ कर लो, you know, because you know how it is. मुझे इतने ऐसे लाइटमैन दादा, यू नो, ऑल दीज टेक्नीशियंस यूज्ड टू से कि आज हम अगर 600 रुपए कमा रहे हैं या 300 रुपए कमा रहे हैं, उसी से वो लोग सब्जी खरीदते हुए घर जाएंगे, यू नो. सो फॉर देम टेस्ट इज नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट, फिलिंग द स्टमक इज. एंड आई एम जस्ट ग्रेटफुल कि आज मुझे खाना खा पा रही हूँ, मेरे पास खाना है, सब्जी है, रोटी है, बेसिक घर में अपने बच्चे का और अपना पेट, you know, भर पा रहे. So I'm grateful for very basic level as of now, honestly. Then touch, smell, taste. What else? What is the, what, tell me this, the here, oh my god, I think waking up to Jaden, you know, saying good
Voice.
morning mommy, and to be able to hear him giggle today, you know, when you know there is so much going on around us. I have been through COVID recently, जब मैं you know, hospital में थी, and I couldn't listen to Jaden. मोबाइल पे ऐसे सुनना बहुत अलग होता है, but you know, it is a assurance of being alive when you have your kid. And आवाज जब गूंजती है मेरे घर में, that is the sound I want to hear forever and ever, and I'm so grateful for that. And to see, I think the fact that I am waking up itself, it, you know, it, I'm very thankful to that, to be able to see the world every morning. Because you know, जब मैं वहाँ पे थी हॉस्पिटल में, परी, you won't believe, मुझे एक नर्स ने बताया था, बहुत यंग नर्स थी वो, कुछ I think 21 or something, very young girl, okay, she was like the COVID warrior there. उसने मुझे बोला, मैम आप तो अभी यहाँ पे 8th यू नो फ्लोर पे हो, जहाँ पे लोग रिकवरी वाले लोग यहाँ पर हैं. अगर आप 6th फ्लोर पे जाओगे, एवरी डे, यू नो, कोई 40 साल का, 30 साल का, 70 साल का, एवरी डे वी हैव टू राइट अ डेथ. एंड you know, people here who say, you know, 6th floor पे बहुत लोग ऐसे थे जो बोलते हैं I'm getting so bored, हमें कब discharge मिल रहा है. She was like, you know, they don't get it, they are at least having a hope of going back home. So
yeah,
you know,
exactly.
Waking up to seeing the world itself today, you know, I am so grateful.
So I really feel that like picked up a beautiful card, and you know, actually thanking your 5 senses is something that we don't do on a daily life.
Never.
I don't think that we take out the time and think that okay, fine, I can touch, I can see, I can breathe, I can taste, I can hear, which is the essence of life. Even if your one sense is not working, I would say it's tough and it's different. And it's a different level of struggle. So all those people who have come,
और अगर इस टाइम में नहीं सिखाया ना परी, तो I don't know what will. You know, honestly, जब हमारा पहला लॉकडाउन हुआ था, उसके बाद जब लॉकडाउन खुला, you know, I think a lot of people were grateful कि वो कमा पा रहे हैं वापस, उनके पास एक उम्मीद जागी to earn. But there were a lot of people, I think, were not very grateful. You know, they were just going and gathering and doing things very irresponsibly also. And the second wave is a contribution of a lot of things. And अगर हम अभी नहीं समझे, अभी already, I think it is so sad that so many people every day are calling in sick, you know. So yeah, I think it's so important, you know, to hold responsibility.
I just want this to be for everyone. Firstly, Aarti, thank you, I love you. Aarti is there.
Aarti is there. Hi, Aarti.
Yeah, I just saw a message.
You be safe, my Jan. You're traveling. Please be safe. Are you back, Aarti?
I think she's back.
Go back home and be safe.
She is safe, and I think she's back. But seriously, the whole idea is to be grateful for one thing today, because I was feeling really low. I was feeling very depressed. There was a time I thought
you have also been through yours. I have to tell this to everybody. Ki Pari has taken her entire pregnancy in the first lockdown, and when there was a hope of her finally wanting to step out and see the world, because जहाँ तक मैं परी को जानती हूँ परी बहुत डिमांडिंग है. परी को लोग चाहिए होते हैं, परी को टच चाहिए होता है, परी को बहुत
I use all my senses.
उसको she needs everybody around her. मतलब वो थोड़ी सी बीमार होती है, उसको immediately चाहिए दलजीत मेरे साथ आके बैठ जाए. Like she needs people around her. And I have to tell you this, Pari, that you are very brave कि तूने पूरी pregnancy अकेले बिताई है, sitting in that house alone, without us, without anybody to make you feel special. You know, we used to feel so helpless because, you know, जितना दिल किया मिलने का उतना ही fear भी था because we were meeting people, I was going out, it was scary. But you were very brave, and now I know
I'm really grateful that you guys were there, just a call away, because you know.
Aarti, you better
really
go
want
and give
to
her your
hug.
touch. She needs
Yes.
it. She really needs it. I think Pari has been so brave, and this is one girl I'm always very possessive about because she's the chui mui of our group. She's somebody I've protected like this ever since I remember, and her going through a pregnancy alone was, I think, my nightmare. But the way she's taken it out, I am so proud of you, Pari. Honestly, and from my heart.
I am super grateful for having. I have very few friends, you know, but then you are like me, like more than family. You are my family here. So, of course, the fact that you guys were just there, available, and the fact that whenever I am feeling low and depressed, there have been multiple times, and I hear you guys say, "Okay, calm down, this will pass." And I actually buy it because that's
but
what
lot of things have gone also, right? From, you know, your hormonal changes to having a baby, to not have somebody cheer you up when Anaisha was crying or you know, creating a mess and not understanding what's happening, to the time Anaisha actually said I love you, and I can't still believe it. I still think it's made up. It's unbelievable. Anaisha's first words are I love you. Bloody hell.
But Daljeet, you remember this moments ever since you know me, I think all my friends who've been close to me, they're like, "Tum sabko I love you बोलती हो?" And I'm like, "Yeah, I say it to everyone. Like I'm this is staff also, I love you, I love you,
crazy,
I love you." Yeah, and my husband is like, you know, it's such a regular word for you. There's nothing special. I said because it's I love you. Love is for everyone. I can't be like I love you only. Like, you know, from my boyfriends to my husband today. To you,
I love you is your tagline, which Anaisha has just picked up very conveniently, and it happens to be her first line. There are a lot of I love yous going from Anaisha. Aware, be aware, mommy. You are in trouble. You are in trouble.
Totally loving it, but so yes, Daljeet, thank you so much. I love you a lot.
I love you.
You mean the world, irrespective. That we cannot meet, we can meet, we will meet one day once all this is over. It will come to that very soon. But yes, I just thought of doing this because I thought that
this is a very sweet thing, and I think you should do it with Aarti also, because Aarti, I know one person, she's one girl who's very thankful for her life. She acknowledges people around her. You know, ऐसे बहुत लोगों को मैं जानती हूँ जो they feel कि ठीक है ना यार है. But Aarti एक ऐसी लड़की है जो she acknowledges. So I think this would be great for her as well.
Souls, I feel, and it's a responsibility to sometimes just, you know, sometimes you have to force yourself to wake up and do this. You know, I had to actually force myself to be grateful. Because that day I got up, I was feeling low, and I told myself that I can't be this way, and I have to make sure that I live my life in gratitude.
Trust me, Pari, when you, like, I think very sadly I got that sight. I've seen it in the hospital. It is so scary. The moment you enter the COVID ward, there are people coughing. लिफ्ट से बाहर निकलते ही वहाँ पे इतने बेड्स हैं. जो लॉबी होती थी, जहाँ पे बैठने के लिए जगह होती थी, वहाँ पे बेड नहीं है. आप लिफ्ट से जैसे ही बाहर निकलते हो, वहाँ पे कम से कम 20-25, अभी तो शायद ज्यादा बेड्स हैं. There is no place, there is no place to even stand. You know, there is nothing but to be grateful today, and we all genuinely should be grateful about being able to breathe for the least.
Yes. And yeah, so you guys can like comment and share.
Hey Tina, how are you? Tina's also here. Hi Tina.
So everyone, please be grateful for your 5 senses today. Try to be, and just note down things, and you can write it down in your diary, or even if you just talk about it to a friend. I think it is a beautiful card. Thank you for picking this, and tomorrow we'll pick another card.
Thank you so much for having me. It was beautiful. And Tina,
you're beautiful.
oh, thank you. Tina inspires me every day. उसके जो ऐसे मुझे
Yes.
poses दिखते हैं, मुझे लगता है एक तो इतनी पतली है, इतनी fit है, मतलब और कितना इंसान fit हो सकता है. कभी मुझे वो headstand करते हुए दिखाई देती है. This girl
No,
inspires
she's
me.
really worked hard, by the way, guys. Like, I think she's done a fab job.
But वो पता चलता है यार, वो hard work दिखता भी है ना फिर.
Yes, yes, yes. You have to literally
But
motivate
thank you,
yourself
Pari.
to
Thank
get
you
up.
so much for having me. And guys,
I love you.
definitely tell us what you guys are grateful for. And I think that is, yeah, that is something that we should
Today
have.
started 5 senses. So why are you grateful for your 5 senses? One reason for each. Okay.
I love you guys.
Love you.
I love you, baby. I love you.
Bye.
Bye.